Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add an image in Affinity Designer. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so open up Affinity Designer, and then from here we want to go ahead and click onto File and then click onto Place. So click on the Place and now find that image. I've got that in my download sections here. So I'm just going to go ahead and expand it. I've got a certain picture I want to add in. All right, here it is here. All right, so simply double click on your image and now it should get placed in here. So we need to place it. So as you can see, it's not going to automatically do it. We need to click onto the page. Then from here, we can expand it, move the image around. We can try and make it fit full screen if you want by doing, say, that. Now, if I come down here, do the same here, like so. Now that's kind of full screen. Now I'm just going to zoom out. And yeah, that's how to place an image inside of Affinity.